Hello. What you see in these two pictures is a summary of data from a randomized trial that was conducted some years ago to compare the effectiveness of three different drug treatments for chronic schizophrenia patients. Patients were followed up for 8 weeks. The response was a measure of their symptom severity, so that high values suggest a high degree of symptoms and smaller values suggest a lower degree of symptoms. And the goal of the experiment was to find out which, if any, of these treatments were effective in reducing symptom severity. Now, the dotted lines here show the fits of two different models to the same data. And one question you might ask is, which model fits the data better? And you'd be forgiven for thinking that the obvious answer is the model on the left, where the dotted curves are kind of smoothing out the observed data shown as the jagged solid lines. But actually, both models are correct. Now, how can this be? Well, what the pictures don't show you is the fact that at the start of the trial, there were about 500 patients, and by the end of the trial, only about half of them were still complying with their medication. So if you think carefully about the implications of that, it turns out that the model on the left-hand side is answering the question, what is the average response among patients who are still taking their medication? And the one on the right-hand side is answering the question, what would have been the mean response if everybody had complied with their medication? Now, to understand more about that, you need to read the accompanying text. Thank you.